राम राम भाई साहब में आज 75 डे हर चैलेंज में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम अपने क्लासमेट मिस्टर राहुल के साथ हैं और सर की एब्सेंट में आज हम दोनों ही बात करने वाले हैं। सो मिस्टर राहुल, प्लीज स्टार्ट।
So guys, we are going to create a new activity today and we are here with my coaching friend Aditya. So what are you feeling today? What are you feeling now?
I'm feeling good and you?
I'm feeling better. So what do you think about your class when you came here? You know you was not able to speak, but now you have very confidence in your body. So what is the main thing behind the scene?
Yeah, I know I am very low confidence when I came here, and also I have some knowledge, but I don't know how to use fundamentals, basic fundamentals. So today I know everything and also have confidence.
So you have confidence and you have knowledge. So which is better according to you, knowledge or confidence?
Firstly, we have need a confidence.
Okay. So when you came here, you don't have any confidence?
Yeah, I don't have any confidence.
Okay.
And you?
Yeah, it like I didn't have any confidence, but now I'm speaking with you, so it is a very positivity.
And what is the experience you are feeling here?
It is a great experience for me because I am able to speak in English and I am able to asking you many questions and you are giving me reply.
And also we doing practice and goals.
So how many hours do you practice at your home in English?
No, enough. I don't practice enough.
So in which class are you with now?
I'm in 12th class.
Okay. So are you preparing for your board exam?
Yeah, now I have board exams after 2 months.
Okay.
So I'm preparing for my exams.
You are preparing for both English and your board exam.
Yeah, because now you also know that our courses are completed.
Okay.
So we are practicing here and at home I am doing my.
So after 2 months you have a board exam for you. So now you are in class. What do you think about that? Do you have need any speak in English? Do you have any need to learn English? And do you wanna focus on your board exam? Which is important both to you, according to you?
According to me, now I have to prepare for my board exam. But as I told you, here I completed my English course, so it is not problem.
So how many days have you completed here?
I have completed 1 month only.
Okay. So you have completed 1 month here and you are perfect now or not?
I'm not perfect, but I am improving day by day. And when I came here, you also know that I am not able to speak, but now audience are able to see that are confident. Also, we are both completed 75-day hard challenge before, and also now we are doing.
So you are saying that if anyone wanna ask you the question, you can easily answer that.
Yeah, I'm able to give answer.
So what do you think about your many friends who are not coming here? So what is the main reason behind the scene?
Because this season is a marriage season also, and also winter season. So people have students have many problems to come here.
It is a main problem according to you.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also they are not responsible.
Okay. So are you excited for your class and your board exam?
Yeah, I am very excited for my board exams.
Are you preparing for your board exam or not?
Yeah, I'm preparing. I told you.
Okay. If you have any question for me, so you can ask me.
So, which type of preparation you are doing for your SSC GD? You are
Yeah, I am preparing for the SSC GD, and you know,
where?
I am preparing for myself. I have many books for SSC GD. I am preparing in this book.
You are not
No, I don't want to take a
Take a
class. I am
class.
preparing for myself
So
because I
you
know,
know that you have potential.
yeah, I have potential for such a make my dream, and I have books for my SSCGD, and I am doing preparation for myself.
So ask him.
What do you think about your friend Rohit? Rohit is sitting here and he is not able to ask any questions. So, what is the main problem about the scene?
Main problem is Rohit is not practicing. But when today we are talking,
Okay.
he give answers to me.
Okay.
He told me that he have hesitation problem.
When you are talking with Rohit, so Rohit, Rohit was able to
Yeah.
give you answer or not?
Yeah, he was able to. He was given.
So are you? Why? How can you say that it is not doing practice at his home? Did you feel it?
Yeah, I feel it.
Okay.
So uh, thank you for watching this video and subscribe the channel and